Redoing a room does not have to be expensive. Today I'm going to share with you how we revamped our formal living room for under $200. This is what our formal living room looked like before. We have two separate sofas, both in a floral pattern with very traditional dark wood furniture. And this is what our formal living room looks like after for under $200. I started by using a drop cloth on each separate sofa. I purchased those at Walmart and they were only $10. After using the drop cloths, I decided I was going to shop at IKEA. I wanted white furniture in here. I wanted something that was going to be bright and fresh and really brighten up the space compared to the dark wood furniture that we had in here before. So the first thing I went on a hunt for was a coffee table, and I found this really awesome coffee table for only $24.99, and I love the fact that it has the bottom lower level shelf for storage or decor. The next thing I wanted to find were some pillows. So I found the feather 20 by 20 pillow inserts, and then I wanted to stick with the very neutral, soft colors. So I found linen pillow covers, and I also found some khaki colored pillow covers, and I used the linen ones on one sofa and I used the khaki ones on another. And I think that that was something that was really unique and a way for me to be able to use those soft neutral colors but still get varying looks. That way I didn't have to incorporate a lot of busy patterns, but I was still able to get a different look on each sofa. Next, I set out to find some side tables. Now, I wanted side tables that were going to be tall. I don't like side tables next to my sofa that are really, really low. I don't like to have to bend down to set something down on the side table. So I specifically sought out tables that were tall, and I also wanted tables that were round, because if you notice between our front door and our sofa, there's not a huge distance. So I couldn't go with something that was really, really wide. So I found this double-tiered metal white table, and it was only $19.99. So I bought two of them, one for the sides of each sofa. So lastly, I set out to find lamps. I wanted to find lamps that were tall and slender and that were not going to take up a lot of room on the surface of the table. So I found these really neutral gray colored lamps. They're metal, and they have linen shades, and I think they're absolutely perfect. They stick with the neutralness of this room, and they give a nice, soft, warm glow, and they don't take up a lot of the top of the table space. So I think they worked out absolutely perfect, and they were only $14.99 each. So then to finish off the room, I simply used very simplistic, neutral colored accessories. I just placed a few items on the coffee table, simplistic items on each side table, and I absolutely love the way that this room has turned out. And we spent under $200 to complete this entire look.